Alright guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Let's get going in a few seconds. We're starting off with dumbbell swings today. Grab a heavy dumbbell. I want these 30 swings to be challenging. Therefore, I'm grabbing 30-pound dumbbells. Alright, we're going for 30 swings. You guys ready to go? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Challenging, remember. Work out with me right here. 10 down, 20 left, 1. Ten left, keep it up, 1. And 10, all right. Drop it down on the ground. Or some chest presses with a little twist. So we're doing reverse chest presses by keeping the dumbbells and the palms facing towards you. We'll work the upper chest a little bit more. We're going for a good amount of repetitions that will keep us tired but not maxing out. So palms towards you and let's go. Ready? 8, 9, 10. Let's go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and we're supersetting this with some push-ups. So flip right out over and give me push-ups. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're not tired after we just did chest presses. Keep going. 5, 6. Whew. 6 is all I had. That's really taking care of the chest right here for me, guys. How you guys doing? All right, I feel I'm just getting warmed up. So what we just did, we did 30 dumbbell swings, then we did our reverse chest presses. I'm using 30-pound weight, which is the heaviest weight I have right here in the basement. And then we did push-ups. Let's rest a few more seconds, and then we are going to repeat this sequence one more time. So 30 dumbbell swings, reverse chest presses, and push-ups. Hopefully, we'll be able to knock out more than 6 push-ups. Hopefully you did more than 6 push-ups. That was pretty weak for me. I felt like I could put a little bit of effort in. Let's repeat that again. Anyway, grab your dumbbells. We're going for set number 2. This is me working out, guys, with you like I always say. This could be filmed live. It's not, but this could be a live video right now. You guys ready to go? 30 swings in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heavy dumbbells. Remember, 7. That's 10. 20 left. 1. Come on. There's a full body exercise. 10 left. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Keep my 30s. Drop down on the ground for our 15 reversed chest presses. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Flip on over. Let's see if Paul can do more than 6 push-ups. Woo. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, I beat by 1. All right, those are 2 sets for chest and our dumbbell swings. Now we're gonna move on to shoulders. Once again, 30 dumbbell swings, then shoulder presses. 30 is a little heavy for me for shoulder presses, so I'm gonna dumbbell swings with my 30-pound dumbbells. Now I'm gonna switch to shoulder presses with 20s, and then the superset of shoulder press is going to be a lateral raise, and for that I'm going to switch just to 10-pound dumbbells. So let's give ourselves a few more seconds and we'll get going. All right, catch my breath. Come on, Paul. Catch your breath. All right, let's grab those dumbbells. Times are wasted and time is short. You guys ready for 30? Get a good grip. If you have to reduce the weight on the dumbbells and maybe go to something a little bit lighter, that's fine. I'm gonna try to squeeze them up with 30s. So let's go. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. To keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Work with me. 7. Come on. 8, 9. And that's 30. Whew. All right. Shoulder press is fun. I am going to kneel down on the ground because, as you guys know, the ceiling in the basement is low. So therefore, I am on the ground. If you like to be seated or standing, whatever works for you. Ready to go? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 5 more in me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 and 5. And back up. And straight into lateral raises. Lightweight. Straight arms in front of you. Ready? And let's go. 1. Nice and slow negative. 2. Don't let the weight drop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come on, 8, 2 more, 9, that's 1, and 10. Whew. All right, first superset of shoulders done. Let's take a little break, and we'll get started. Guess what? Dumbbell swings, which also kill the shoulders. Whew. Heart rate is up today, even though we're not really doing any cardio. Gotta love these type of workouts. Build some muscle, tone up a little bit, burn more calories than just by doing weights alone. Because we are constantly moving. All right, let's take a few more seconds. Guess what? Dumbbell swings are getting difficult. Roll the sleeves up a little bit, and it's becoming real work. All right, let's get going about 10 seconds. Back to the 30s. I'm going to try to stick out with the 30s for the duration of all these swings. These are the 20s, so I should not grab those. There are the 30s. Hello, 30s. And let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 30. Come on. 1, 2. Explode up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 10 more. Come on, 1. 7, 8, 9. That's 1 and 10. Whew. Might as well get on the ground, grabbing those 20s for me, and going for the shoulder presses, shooting for 15. Wish me luck, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, right back up. Lateral raises, lighter weight, control movement. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Last 1 and 10. Whew. All right, let's take 30, 45 seconds. No clock. Just go when I feel good. When I feel like ready to roll one more time. All right, for this next exercise, we're going to 30 dumbbell swings. There's a surprise. Then we're going to go for underhand rows, followed by some back fly. Okay, I got my breath back. Let's get going in a few seconds. 30 swings. Got 2 more sets of 30 swings, guys. We can do this. If you've been staying with the same challenging weight, keep it up. I'm gonna try to keep it up. You stay out there with me. Ready? Grab those heavy dumbbells. They should feel heavy as soon as you lift them up. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep it up. 10, 20 left. Come on. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 left. 1, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. All right, shake it out a little bit. We're going for rows. Not sure how many. Once again, shooting for 15. Since 15 seems to be like the good number. Whew. All right, so bend over, give me underhand, and just pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Control movement. 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop the weights. I'm grabbing my 20s for the reverse fly. Same position, and just reverse. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, and 10. Whew. All right, one more set, guys, and we are all done. So on these rows, on these flies, sit back a little bit. Try to keep good posture. Suck your core in, support your core, and then straighten your back as much as I can. I don't have a very straight back, it's very rounded, my shoulders fall forward. Guess what? I do the best that I can. Remember, good posture, protect the lower back, use that core to brace yourself. All right, one more set. One more set of dumbbell swings. You guys ready to go? Grab those heavy dumbbells. Yes, they feel heavy. Yes, that's a lot of swings. Yes, we're gonna get it done. You ready? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. 20 left. We got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. 10 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Oh, thank God that's over. All right, let's go for our 15 underhand rows. All right, let's get this done. Get your weights. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. And last set of reverse fly. Get ready to go. Look at me and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. That's it, guys. Catching my breath as I'm speaking right now. Thank you for joining me today for That to 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for 4 years running now. Thank you for joining me once again. Don't forget to come back. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment below. If you're out of breath like me, leave a like, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.